What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Apple Intelligence on your iPhone and what you need to check before you can use it. First, make sure your iPhone supports Apple Intelligence. This feature only works on newer devices like iPhone models with Apple's latest chips, and your phone must be updated to the latest iOS version. To check this, open the Settings app, tap General, then go to Software Update and install any available update. Once your iPhone is fully updated, go back to Settings and scroll down until you see Apple Intelligence and Siri. Tap on it. If Apple Intelligence is available for your device and region, you'll see an option to turn it on. Toggle Apple Intelligence on and follow the on-screen setup steps. Apple may ask you to confirm settings related to Siri, on-device processing, and personalization. This helps Apple Intelligence work more accurately with your apps, writing tools, and system features. After it's enabled, Apple Intelligence will start working across supported features like smarter Siri responses, writing assistants, summaries, and context-aware suggestions. Some features may activate gradually, so you might not see everything immediately. If you don't see Apple Intelligence in your settings, double-check three things: your iPhone model, your iOS version, and your region or language settings. Apple Intelligence may roll out in stages depending on location and language support. And that's it. That's how you turn on Apple Intelligence on iPhone and get access to Apple's new AI-powered features. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.